Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to remove and install the new spinning fishing reel. So that's the old one, and then this is the new one. I'm going to put the link on the description down below where I got this at. This is the best one in Amazon, best selling. I'm going to put the link on the description down below. Without further ado, let's get started. So this is the old one. I'm going to remove the spinning reel. So there's a thread right there, and then you're gonna spin this thing right here to your left. It will loosen them up. A while ago you see that letter T, so that's what's holding it. Okay, see, it came out loose, and then we're just gonna slide it out. See that letter T, slide out, voila. Okay, see that T. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the new one in. Same thing, that letter T. Alright, with a handle on your left hand side. You cannot go wrong, because you're gonna put it on the other way around. So look at that. That's the bottom of it. There's like slot in there. So what you're gonna do with the letter T, you're gonna slide the front one first, and then you're gonna hold on to that. Okay, the front, because you already slid it in. And then the back of it, you're gonna thread it back in. You can tighten them up until it's tight, so it hold the spinning fishing reels. Now it's nice and tight. Okay, make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, it's good, secured. Now we're gonna test it out. Spin the reels. So I'm gonna put the link on the description down below where I got this reel, #1 reel on Amazon. Let's go.